Ford Mustang GTD versus the competition. 5 cars that outperform it. The Ford Mustang GTD is a masterpiece of American engineering, packing over 800 horsepower and a jaw-dropping price tag of $300,000 plus. But in the world of high-performance machines, there's always a challenger ready to steal the spotlight. Whether it's raw speed, cutting-edge tech, or sheer driving thrills, these 5 cars prove that the Mustang GTD isn't the only king of the road. Let's dive in. 1. Porsche 911 Turbo S. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is the definition of precision and power. With a 3.8-liter boxer engine pumping out 640 horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, outpacing the GTD off the line. Porsche's legendary reliability and a starting price of around $230,000 make it a more refined and practical option for those who want luxury and performance in one package. 2. Chevrolet Corvette Z06. The Corvette Z06 is America's answer to European exotics. Its 5.5-liter LT6 V8 engine churns out 670 horsepower, hitting 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds, matching the GTD's acceleration. But here's the kicker. It starts at just $114,395, making it a fraction of the GTD's cost. With its proven track record and exceptional build quality, the Z06 is a no-brainer for performance enthusiasts on a budget. 3. Tesla Model S Plaid. When it comes to straight-line speed, the Tesla Model S Plaid is in a league of its own. With 3 electric motors delivering a mind-blowing 1,020 horsepower, it hits 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, leaving the GTD in the dust. Starting at $108,490, it's not only more affordable but also offers lower maintenance costs thanks to its all-electric powertrain. If speed and efficiency are your priorities, the Plaid is unbeatable. 4. McLaren 765 LT. The McLaren 765 LT is a track-focused monster that's legal for the streets. Its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 755 horsepower, and its lightweight design gives it a significant edge on the circuit. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.7 seconds and a price tag of $380,000 plus, it's a premium option for those who demand the ultimate in performance and aerodynamics. 5. Nissan GT-R Nismo. The legendary Godzilla is still a force to be reckoned with. Its 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 delivers 600 horsepower, and its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures unmatched traction in any conditions. While it may have less power than the GTD, its acceleration and stability make it a fierce competitor. Plus, at around $220,000, it's a more accessible option for supercar performance. Conclusion. Who takes the crown? The Ford Mustang GTD is undeniably a powerhouse, but these 5 cars prove that the competition is hotter than ever. Whether it's the Porsche 911 Turbo S's refinement, the Corvette Z06's value, or the Tesla Plaid's insane acceleration, each of these models brings something unique to the table. Which one would you pick to take down the GTD? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic car showdowns on CarSwagger.